to this crew here. We like to keep it positive, you know how we do. Big up, big up.
Its last smartphone, M-Horse Pure 1, was one of the best-selling devices on GearBest online store. Recently, the company released next generation of smartphone, called M-Horse Pure 2. It has amazing 5.99-inch bezel-less display from Samsung, 4GB of RAM, with 64GB of storage, and 16-megapixel dual camera. If you are looking for a budget smartphone, with high functionality and performance, we recommend looking at the new M-Horse Pure 2, with big 5.99-inch screen, Android 7.0, and all great features. All that need a modern person needs in the mobile industry can be found in this gadget. Under the control of the stable Android 7.0 Nougat system, this mobile device has a processor of MTK6750 octa-core with 1.5 GHz frequency, which provides with a productive work of the phone. This makes it suitable both for surfing the internet and for most games. 4 GB of RAM can easily cope with high user requests, presenting good speed and stability of the smartphone device. With its 5.99-inch display, with 1440 by 720 pixels, IPS screen, transmits high-quality images, with worthy color execution, suitable for comfortable viewing of various content. 64 GB of RAM, with a maximum extension of up to 256 GB, is enough to save a large number of photos, videos, audio, documents, and applications. The Pure 2 has support for 3G and 4G LTE networks for high-speed internet connections. The rear, dual camera in Pure 2, is 16 megapixel, plus an additional 2 megapixel, that will allow you to take great pictures and videos with customization, and the front camera at 13 megapixel, will give you a very high-quality selfie, with a choice of different effects for your photos. The big 3600 mAh battery provides with 420 hours of standby time, 48 hours of call time, 16 hours of video content playback, and up to 14 hours of game playing. With a new Type-C connector, you no longer have to think about how to turn the cable to turn on charging, or connect to another device. Now everything is simple and ergonomic. Access to the phone, by registering your fingerprint via the Touch ID sensor, on the back of the phablet. There are built-in gravity sensor, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and a GPS navigator. Bluetooth 4.0 interface allows you to connect modern wireless devices to your smartphone, or transfer files between other compatible ones. There is support for dual SIM cards, one nano SIM card, and one micro SIM card. Weight of new Pure 2 is 210 grams. An excellent device for the price and quality, which allows you to use the mobile phone completely without any problems. So, now on M-Horse Pure 2 phone review, it's time to give the verdict. As you can see, this budget phone has quite good specs on paper. If you buy it for only $150, you're getting a premium body with glossy design, a large bezel-less display, dual camera setup, great battery, that manufacturer promises 420 hours on standby, 16 hours of video play, or 12 hours playing games, and average processing power. Plus, you get some additional features like dynamic wallpaper every day, some gesture features, etc. All in all, if you're on a budget, then this phone can be a great buy. M-Horse Company is giving a giveaway on the official Facebook page. You, my dear subscribers, have a chance to win a Pure 2 for free. Just comment a post on M-Horse Facebook page, and share a link for my video. Maybe you just win a new Pure 2, good luck. That's all for now. For more news, stay tuned.